Hello, this is Ronnie. I am back here with a clip concerning the action in gold and silver taken from a very long video, 78 minutes video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. Since my channel is posting 304 followers, I decided to reintroduce my special offer. This time I'm going to keep it running just for 2 weeks, and that's going to be your last chance before the summer. In the summer I don't believe I will run any offer, so if you are interested, do take a look. I will provide all the details after the clip ends. Hope to see you later. Enjoy the clip. Bye now. Okay, that's silver. That's the daily. All the arguments that I put forward concerning watching and following very carefully what the forex market is doing are all the more important now after the performance that we have seen on Friday. So if you remember my comments about the dollar index, you literally can't go anywhere without checking the dollar index and the Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you are very keen on trading or following the precious metals, you really got to have it as part of your tools, analytical tools. You must have these charts side by side, the charts of silver and gold, and you remember the levels, the critical levels that I indicated in those two charts. Very important to keep in mind. Concerning silver here, the jump here has not really changed the wave count that could take it a lot lower. Yes, I'm afraid the bear is still looking like it could still come back to life here, and the jump can still be accommodated as part of the fourth wave. I will begin to doubt my bearish alternative here if it runs above 17. Okay, let's be very clear. If it runs above 17 in the next 2-3 days, it's probably going to be 2-3 days if it is an impulse wave. Yeah, it's not going to wait 3 weeks around here. If it is an impulse wave, I would imagine that's probably done. The correction is done. It'll start looking up. If it starts looking up, it runs back to 17. I would suspect that that's too much strength. It'll also, in my opinion, change the wave count of the structure that I'm using as a bearish structure. Okay, let's take the 60 minutes and see where that takes us. You see, coming down, I was working with my 1 2 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5. Well, yeah, you see that it's still perfectly possible. This is an ABC, and sorry. In terms of the level, that there is absolutely no problem whatsoever. There is no problem whatsoever. This is still a fourth wave that could still take silver lower. Okay. You know, I'll take you to a 10 minutes scale and you will see how I view it. The issue is here, for example, on the 10 minutes, whether this is an AB or whether it's a 1-2, because we do have a spike bottom here, and if it started a new impulse wave that will take it way higher, that should be a 1-2. But there is no, if you like, there is no sure way to be certain that this is an AB or a 1-2. Only with further price action can you be certain. See, the A could have ended here, and I can argue that I have an A, B, C, D, E. What's the problem? This is a perfect B, and that's negative. I mean, that tells you that silver will fall. Okay, you see, A, B, 1 2 3 4. Yes, another push up of about 20-25 cents. That will complete the 5-wave structure. That will complete the C. And if you see that silver going back there, just breaking under, I would say 1610 or so, silver breaking like that, that's negative. That suggests that my fourth wave idea is still operating here, and the bearish wave count is alive and well. Okay, I'm showing you now again. 1 2 on the 60 minutes, 1 2 1 2 3 4 3. Silver coming back towards 1610. Okay, running around here for several days. That should alert you that you're in a fourth wave. We will have another move down. Okay, so I hope the levels are fairly clear to you. Silver reaching towards 17, not having gone down. Okay, finish with the downside, not having gone down, running back towards 17, beginning to build a base at around 17, 17.20. That's bullish. That's bullish. Don't forget that we were working also with the alternative of A, B, C, X, A, B, C, etc. And if it does run towards 17, we could, I think we should revert to the bullish alternative that says that in fact everything we have seen here is corrective and silver will look up. Okay, that's gold. That's the daily. Gold came back to life like I don't know what, just soared. But if you look carefully at the structure that I've been using, I can actually forward the argument that it is still a false wave. There is absolutely nothing technical in this chart to disqualify this action from being part of a false wave. It's definitely possible. You see that the 50 came into play pretty powerfully here. There is also overhead resistance here on the daily, and the entire structure is still, if you like, waiting for that confirmation. That confirmation could come about if we run above 1260. We are not very far. We are at 1243, 1243.82. Running above 1260, not having gone down before. Yes, we don't have something like that going down and then coming back up. I mean, just going straight back above 1260, that will be very positive. That will be very positive for gold and might suggest indeed that we are heading to retest the top, and if it's ready, we should consider that it will go up in the third wave. Now, breaking back obviously under 1200, you know that will reinforce the bearish case, and will basically end up giving us 5 legs from the top, which in itself would be quite bearish as far as I can see. Okay, so let's go now to the 60 minutes, and you will see that even here I can make a case that this surge is part of an A, B, C structure. Okay, I'm taking this as potentially 1 or 1, not terribly happy with this wave, kind of already told you, but if I take this as a 1, 2, I come down, I can work with the third wave having ended here. That will be my A with a tiny 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an A. A, B, C, D, E. That's a B. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, silver can go. Gold can go slightly higher towards 1250, and then I would like to see it coming back down fairly quickly. I would definitely do not like to see it running about 1250, 1260 if I'm working with my bearish wave count. Anyhow, running above this level will kill completely the idea of a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's dead once it runs above this level, which comes just under 1260. Now you see why I told you if it runs above 1260, we are probably looking at gold coming back to life. Yes. And again, you watch the currencies, you watch the dollar index, you watch that critical level. The dollar index sinks under, if it sinks under that critical level, everything is solved. All our puzzle is solved. Gold is going to go straight up towards 1300, or once it takes off about 1300, there is just up and up and up. Okay. Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with some explanation concerning my special offer. You have to go on my website, thewavemastery.com, and you can find the special offer either through the subscribe here page or through the resources. You have to scroll down towards special promotional offer. Do you see that? So that takes you to the page itself. You can see the offer will expire on the 19th of June, and you do get a chance to have a trial for just €1. Okay, whether you take the daily service or the weekend service. By the way, the daily service includes the weekend service, so you don't have to subscribe to both. If you take just the daily, you're going to get access to the weekend service. Read through the explanations. This is basically €1 for 1 week for the daily video service. You get every day a video. Okay, And if you do it today, you will of course get access to the long video that I just recorded. And then each day during the week you will hear from me with an email alerting you when I post a fresh video. The price is basically cut down by half. Okay, there is a VAT for those who are from various European countries. Those from the UK, US, and elsewhere do not pay. It's mainly a European issue. You can see here you have to select the country that applies in your case. Okay, if you don't see your country, just scroll down. If you are from the UK, US, or Belgium, or elsewhere, you don't pay any VAT. So you just get the net price 79. Okay, 79 per month. If you like to go for the Wave Mastery weekend video, that will be 2 weeks for just €1. And if you like it, you like to stay on, again, this is half price, you see, basically just 29 per month. Again, the VAT issue. The offer is good for the trial plus 12 months. That means that if you take the trial and the end of the 7 days or 12 days or the 2 weeks in the case of the weekend video service, you like to stay on, then your card will be charged for 12 consecutive months. Yes, as long as you stay a subscriber, yeah, every month you will be charged. And at the end of the 12th month, the offer basically expires for the 50% off. If you don't have a PayPal account, you don't like to use PayPal for whatever reason, there is a way that we can find for you a solution that you can pay, but the best is really that you pay through PayPal. That is really the best way. This is the only payment service that I use on my website. Okay, so in short, again, I want to show you quickly. You go on my website, okay, wavemastery.com. You can get the link either through here. Okay, so you click on subscribe here, and please pay attention. You have to use this link. Don't use any of the links below because they are not a special offer. So you're going to end up paying the full price. Okay, you are interested in the special offer, so you go here, you click on that, and you get the page of the special offer. There are quite a lot of articles and things that could be of interest to you. Is this website for me? Psychology and trading, trading in the arts, why join, etc. Services. There is a free clip service, but it is essentially the same thing that I provide on my channel, the YouTube channel. Under resources, there are lots and lots of charts. Under charts galore 2, some useful links, recommended reading list, and the usual stuff. Yes. If you have any problem, don't hesitate, contact me. You click on that, you put your email, make sure you write it properly. I had people contacting me, giving me the wrong email. I try to get back to them, and of course I don't succeed. I keep getting mail delivery default, etc. So please pay attention. You put your right email so I can get back to you. You name the message. You have to just do this little calculation here, submit, and I get it straight. If you have any issue, any question, don't hesitate. If you run into the slightest problem during the subscription procedure, or you have a question before you want to take the subscription, etc., don't hesitate. Just contact me. I am based in Europe, in Belgium. So if I don't reply to you immediately, if you are in the US or in Australia, it's not that I am not going to reply. It's just that I might be sleeping, just having a bit of rest. Okay. So as soon as I see your email, of course, I'll get in touch with you. So that's basically it. If you go on the website, the front page, there are more things for you to explore. I have a few clips here that describe in general my analytical approach, range of markets that I cover. I've got here also more charts that you can run through. It's very interesting. It gives you many examples of various markets in different years, weekly, daily, monthly, whatever. Okay, and you can also print them. If you're interested to see it in full scale mode, you've got to put it on on the title, make sure if you see the hand, okay, otherwise it doesn't open up. If you click on the title, then it opens up big, and you can either print it or you can scan it, you can do what you want, okay. Okay, so that's basically the offer, and would love to hear from you. It's your chance to try out my service. For the €1, you can't go wrong. Can't see how you can go wrong with €1. With all the fees that are included in it, I basically get just maybe 20 cents. So it's really not for the money. It's for introducing the service so that you get a chance to see what it's about. And my bet is that you will not regret that you took the trial. Okay, so hope to see you. Have a good week. Bye now.